In this video, let's see how to use a timeline slide widget of a classic add-ons plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widgets and search for the timeline slide. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left side, you can see event line distance. Enter your preferred value. And the next part is timeline. Now let's edit this history, and here you can change your preferred date for the timeline. And the next option is timeline separator title, and the next option is timeline title. Enter your title for the timeline here, and here you can enter the subtitle for the timeline. The next option is content. Enter your preferred content for your timeline. If you want to add new item, you can simply click on it. Also, you can duplicate this easily here. Now let's edit the second one and change your preferred timeline date here. And here you can change the separator title, and here you can change the timeline title, and this option for timeline subtitle. Enter your preferred title here, and here you can enter your content of the history too. Let's duplicate and change the timeline date here, and here you can change the separator title, and here you can change the timeline title, and this option for subtitle. Enter your subtitle here and enter your content here. Let's duplicate this and edit this timeline date, and change this separator title here, and here you can change the timeline title and change the timeline subtitle, and here you can change the content of this item. Let's moving on to the style area. Here you can change the timeline color, and this is for background color. You can choose your preferred color here. And the next option is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for this timeline, and the next option is margin. Enter your preferred outer space value for this timeline here. And the next one is typography. Here you can change font family and font style for this timeline. And the next option is timeline date. Here you can change the line color, and the next option is line dot color, and here you can change the font family and font style for this timeline date. The next option is timeline title. Change the title color here, and here you can change the timeline titles typography font family. The next option is timeline subtitle. You can choose your preferred color for the subtitle. And the next one is timeline separator. Choose your preferred color here for the separator. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.